Pina! Balik ka dito, Butchok. Back na tayo. Pero, part lang si...
Nakita mo yung crack yung sensor niya. O na, yung lens niya.
Right, let go! Get ready! Hey, hey! Let's go! Ganito dapat optima. Ha? Okay? Go! Right? Okay, other side. Ready? Go! Bilang! Sige sa target! Kapag pinitigan. Down! Good, other side, ready, set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, count! Turn side, keep ready. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6.
You face the wall, Ona.
5, 4,
You should face the wall. Face the wall.
2, 1.
Face the wall.
Other side, ready, set, and go. 1, 2, face the wall. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to your line. Come on. Jinbi. Jim Sugi Shah. Jinbi Paz already got set. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 2 punches ready. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 punches ready. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go. 3 targets ready. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And roll. 10 punches, all in the middle target. The shots, the last punch. Get ready. 10 sets. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Period. 2 minutes. You have 3 minutes for the break.
Hindi siya bow.
No. So, masinabi Kyung-ne. Bow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. That is Kyung-ne. Get. So again. Chariot. Kyung-ne. Ana. Tingnan mo ako. Hindi ganito. Bow your head, ha? Again. Chariot. Kyung-ne. Okay. One more. Chariot. Kyung-ne. Yan. Okay? Huwag yung pulo lang. Junbe. Okay, doing Fonseca sa competition, wala siyang type 1. Let's do Junbi. Inhale and then exhale. Okay, again. Chariot. Human. Tingin diretso. Huwag kang titingin sa kanya, huwag kang titingin sa dulo mo. Tingin ka lang, diretso tingin. Get niya. Junbi. Left leg will move. Left leg will move. Again. Chariot. Human. Junbi.
Left leg.
Yeah. Now, from that position, we will do the low block. I want to see low block with power. Okay? First, prepare for blocking arm. Blocking arm. Blocking muna. Blocking. Asan na yung blocking arm? Left. Okay, we'll start with left. Again. Chariot. Human. Junbi. Left. We'll move. Okay? Left leg. We'll move. Huh? Ready. Set. And. Asang right. Right arm. Asang left. Ito yung left. Get? Tayo yung mirror. Okay, mirror tayo ha. Mirror tayo ha. Left. You're right. Okay. Mirror tayo. O na. Change kamay. Put it here. Ready. This time, going down. This is the blocking arm. And ready. Prepare. And shout. Prepare. And shout. Prepare. And shout. Okay. Hindi siya dito. Wala kang sasalagin dito. Tatamaan yung sipa dito. Pag sinabing low block, going down. Get ready. Set. And again. Prepare. Going down. Low block. 1. Prepare. 2. Prepare. 3. Prepare. 4. Prepare. 5. Prepare. 6. Prepare. 7. Prepare. 8. Prepare. 9. Prepare. 10. Okay, 1 count. And 1. 2. Look, this one is twisting. Going down. Slightly bent. Hindi siya straight. Slightly bent. Okay? Ready. Set. And 1 count. Go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. There. Hindi right. Okay. This time the pulling arm. Pulling arm. Ready. Set. Pulling arm lang. Pass your right. Put it here on the other side. Kamay. Base. Ready? Ganito siya. 1 and pull. 1 and pull. So, 1 count. Okay? So, ready? Set and pulling arm. Go. 1. Prepare. 2. Prepare. 3. Prepare. 4. Prepare. 5. Good one. Now, ready? Low block. Prepare for low block, the blocking arm and the pulling arm. Get ready and set. Going down. Go. 1. Snap your blocking. Ready, set. 2. Prepare. 3. Prepare. 4. Prepare. 5. Prepare. 6. Well, gusto ko makita nila, magaling kayo ha. Snap your blocking. Again. Ready, prepare. And go. Prepare. Go. Prepare. Go. Prepare. Go. So dapat kapag gumagawa ng low block, nag-i-snap yung uniform. I-snap ba? May tunog? Patunogin mo na. Sige, kanan. Tumunod? Patunogin mo. Tumunod? Patunogin mo yung sayo. Ano wala yung uniform?
Lagyan ng plastic.
Okay. Tumutunog dapat, ha?
Planchain mo lang ito.
Lagyan ng almirol. Almirol. Ito mag-almirol.
Now, ready, set, prepare for the low block, the pulling arm, and the blocking arm. Go. 1. Prepare. 2. Prepare. 3. Prepare. 4. Prepare. 5. umakyat.
Spray.
Kaya ko nga nag-video.
Okay, steady. And prepare, go! Prepare, go! Prepare, go! Alright. And that is the low block. Don't forget the low block. White belts there. Low block. Okay? July. One. Tail. That is the low block, no? Para. Ana. Get the low block? Good. Now, let's do the high block. High block. Prepare for high block. Left, muna. Ready, prepare. Taas ang left. Down. It's time. Going up. Twist. Again. Slow. Slow. Up. And twist. Again. Up. And twist. This one. Go up. And twist. So dapat ito one twist away. One twist siya. Taas mo pa. Taas mo. Taspas sa ulo. Taspas sa ulo. Yan. Get. Ready. Set. And. Prepare for high block. Get ready. One. Prepare. Two. Prepare. Three. Prepare. Four. You shout. Prepare. Five. Good one. Prepare. Six. Okay. Now, the pulling arm. Parang ano lang yan. Kagaya ng isa. But, galing sa taas. Sa taas. Dito. Going down. Going down. Twist pa rin. Okay? Twist pa rin. Going down. From here. And then pull. Up. Pull. Up. Pull shot. Up. Pull shot. Good one. Next. Ready. Set. Let's go to high block. The blocking arm and then the pulling arm. Ready. Set. And prepare. Go one. Prepare. Two. Prepare. Three. Prepare. Four. Prepare. Five. Prepare. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Other side now. Ready. Set. And prepare. Come on. Go one. Two. Three. Prepare. Ready, floor. Four. Five. Six. Shout. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Good one. And that is the high block. Get the high block. Work. Get the high block. Okay. Foundation form number 1, ang ginagamit na block is low block. Foundation form number 2, ginagamit na block is high block and low block. With kick. No? Start. Middle block. Middle block. Prepare. Here. Dito. Shoulder level. Prepare and shout. Good. Now, the pulling arm. On that pulling arm. Slightly extend from here. Right top. Preparation. From here and pull. Again. Like this is straight. Bend. Boom. Again. Prepare. Boom. Shout. Prepare. Boom. Prepare. Go. Prepare. Go. Prepare. Go. Good. Other side now. Prepare. Ready. Set. Go. Prepare. Go. Nag-snap. Narinig nyo, nag-snap. Again. Prepare. Oh, nag-snap ba? Snap. Prepare. Oh, nag-snap ba? Prepare. Okay? Dapat nag-snap. And that is the middle block. Next. We will go to knife and block. Knife and block, practice natin halos ginagamit sa punse. No? Knife and block. Open palm. Open. Same. Level. Middle finger, level shoulder. Now, prepare from here. And block. Prepare. And block. block. Prepare. And block. Prepare. And block. Middle finger, shoulder level. Get? It's not. Okay, ready. Prepare. Open palm and 1. Prepare. 2. Snap now. 3. 4. 5. Good. Now, with the pulling arm, nasa taas. Pag nasa baba, yung blocking arm, nasa taas, yung pulling arm. Okay? Ready. Set. And 1. Prepare and shout. 2. Prepare and shout. Prepare and shout. Prepare and shout. Prepare and shout. Good. Other side now. Ready. Set. The pulling arm and the blocking arm. Get ready. Set. Prepare. And 1. Prepare. 2. Prepare. 3. Prepare. 4. Prepare. 5. And that is the knife and block. Don't forget the knife and block. Next. Almost. Malapit na matapos yung mga basic. We will go to forward stance. Forward stance. Ginagamit ng forward stance sa condition form number 1, number 2, lahat ng pumse merong forward stance. Okay? Now, let's do the forward stance. Ladies, about. Ready? Feet together. Watch. Feet together. Now, measure. Open. Open. 1 fist away. Tap your left. All right. 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 Tap your right. Okay. Open it 45 degrees. Right. You open it 45 degrees. 45 degrees now. Next, you will start counting 1 step. Mark yung toes. Yung pinakahinda lang. Tapos, step forward. 1. Then mark it again. 2. Mark it again. 3. And then, half. Half ng paa. Step up. Slide. Back leg straight. Front leg bend. Straight back. Okay. Slightly bend. Slightly naka-twist yung shoulder. Ready. Straight. Shoulder naman. Naka-slant. Now, you look at your toes sa harap. Dapat hindi mo siya nakikita. Kapag nakikita mo yung toes sa harap, mali.
Masyado ng forward.
Dapat hindi mo nakikita. Back leg straight, front leg bend. And this is forward stance. Gets ya? Sagot? Yes. Go back. Ready? Let's do it. Make sure natin. Get ready. Open. Make sure. 1 fist. Now, tap your right. Step. Open. 45 degrees. Look pa. Then start counting. 1 foot. 1, 2, 3. Hop. Back leg straight. Front leg bend. Tignan yung toes. Dapat naka-cover doon sa knee. Hindi po siya dapat nakikita. Body straight. Ang center of gravity, center siya. Okay? Lagi na sa center. Pag-forward stance. And this is forward stance. Naintindihan? Yes. Okay, good. Chariot. Junbi. Chariot. Kyungme. Junbi. Ay, mahina. Wala ko ng type 1. Ready? From here, from Junbi, we will do forward stance, low block. Okay? Forward stance, low block with left. Leg forward. Left, low block. Ready? Set from Junbi. Prepare for low block. Left low block this time. Left leg step forward and then do forward stance. Low block. And go 1. Again, prepare. Junbi. You check your stance. Junbi. Junbi. And 2. Prepare. Again. and go. Again, and go. Reach out. Again. Set, go. Look at your stance. Look at your stance. Again, steady. And go. Stop. Don't move. I don't move. Sabi ko, di ba? Again, prepare. And go. Don't move. Sige, galaw. Galaw. Again. Ready, set, and prepare. Prepare. And go. Don't move. Back leg straight, front leg bend. Good. Straight body. Okay? So again, ready, set, and prepare. Sample, don't move, go. This one, dapat one sangdakal. Ang distansya niya, hindi pwedeng nasa taas, hindi ito low block, sangdakal. Yes? Naintindihan? Kapag tumaas, nagiging punch. Kapag pinasok ka, mali na. So, isang dangkal. Next. This one. Naka-out. One fist. Slightly bent. And that is the forward stance. Slightly bent. Forward stance, low block. Gets ya? Okay. Ready? Set. Judy. We'll do it. Left leg forward. Left low block. And set. Go. One. Shout. Tayo. Change foot. Ready? Change kamay side. Again. Judy. And one. Shout. Again. Judy. One whistle. One low block. One whistle. Go back to Judy. Shout. Power. And stop. Power. Stop. Again. Hindi pwedeng shout. Ah! Good. One shot. Top. Steady shot. Big shot. Hindi pwede. From Judy. Ah! Okay? Change it. Come on. Ready. Set. And.
Say mahaba pa.
Meron pa akong narinig. Ah! One shot, one shot. From Judy. Top. Go back. Forward stance. See? And change stance. Right leg will do forward stance and right arm low block. For example, drop it. Yung right arm, go. One more. Di pa sabay-sabay, may whistle na. Di pa sabay-sabay, may whistle na. Shout louder. Good. Okay, ready. Sabay-sabay now. Get ready. Let's do the low block. And. Mahaba naman yung shout. It's okay, spot. Check your stance. Check your stance. Don't move. You check your stance. Back leg straight, front leg bend. Maging conscious kayo sa stance. One, change foot. Good. Go back. Ready. Well, later, kailangan master natin yung concept, ha? But, the basic stances, basic low block, kailangan alam nyo. Next. Ready. High block. It's time. High block. Ready. Set. One. Drop it. Ready. Other side. Right. Be a board. Borrow. Okay. Okay. Sabay-sabay. Should be. Left leg will move. Ready and set. Left high block. Left. Forward stance. Go. Left. 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 Liam. Left.
Change foot. Ona.
Left. That is right. Cyrus. Kamay. Change foot, Liam. Ready. Left leg forward, up. There you go. Left leg forward. Can you eat? Ready. Hands set. Sabay. Other side. Right leg forward. Ready. Set. Go. Checker stance. Checker stance. Checker stance. Okay, and that is the forward stance high block. This time, we'll practice the back stance. Okay? Back stance. No block. Ganito siya. From Junbi. No. Chariot. Yan. Ganito ha. Tap your right. Make the letter L. Letter L. Ang count nito, this is 1 and 2. Again. 1, 2. Okay? Again, ready? So, pwede din siyang 2 count na hakbang. Ready? Letter L. And mark it. And go 1 and 2. And then, bend your back leg. Both. Back leg. Slightly bend yung nasa harapan. And this is back stance. Gets nyo ba? 60% sa likod, 40% sa harapan. Or 30% sa harapan, 70% sa likod. Pwede yun. Okay. Kapag gumagawa ng back stance, this is back stance para ka nakasandal sa pader. Straight. Hindi ganun, partner. Masandal ka lang, diretso. Okay. Masandal ka lang, diretso ha. Sandal ka lang, parang diretso. Ito na yung wall. Hindi ka ganyan. Okay. Hindi ka mag-delete pa. Gets you counting? Sure? Let's do it again. Ready, set, and we will do the back stance. Fit together. From letter L. And 2 step. 1, 2. Bend. Straight body. 70% sa likod, 30% sa harapan. Pwede yung 60% sa likod, 40% sa harapan. Get? Nagets niya? Ha? Sure? Okay. Now, from Junbi, we will do the back stance. Back stance, this time with knife hand block. From Junbi, goes like this. Prepare for knife hand block. And back stance. Letter L. And go back to Junbi. Ready, set, and 1. Prepare again. Ready. Junbi, sample, sample. And set. Check your stance. 1 more. Sabay-sabay. Get ready. Set. And Junbi. Sabay-sabay. Get ready. And set. Junbi. Go. Middle finger, shoulder level. Again. ball kagad. Twist kagad. Kapag gumanon, tendency niya, magiging stretch kick. So dapat mag-prepare, ball kagad. Ball and kick. Steady. Ito dapat ang tumatama yung ball ng paa. See? Ball ng paa. Let's jump. If you can kick. Kick. 1, 2, 3. And click down. Then down. You can do that. Diba? Again, kick. Chop. 1, 2. Steady. Pakita mo yung steady kahit 1, 2 seconds lang. Go. Down. And go. Down. And go. And again. Baba mo ng konti para makapagod. Go. Continue. Go. Continue. Go. Yan. Harap doon. Go. Stop! Ang nakabukaka yung mga daliri. Pag sinipa niya, pag masyadong nakabukaka yung mga daliri. So kung kayang dikit-dikit,
Maalam po sa akin.
diba? Practice. Take natin. Ball ng paa. Picture ball ng paa. Flip. Down.
Dapat dikit-dikit.
Bakit nag-flip? Sa front kick? Preparation. Preparation for what? Ha? Preparation tama. Bakit nag-flip? Preparation tama yan. Preparation for preparation for sipaling straight. Tama yan, preparation. Bakit nag-flip mo na? Kung may flip. Ha? Preparation for second movement. Second stance, second nagalaw, yun. Kapag i-straight siya, wala na. Wala ka ng control. So dapat,
Titira ka na.
when flip, kick, flip, and prepare. Pwedeng back stance, forward stance, walking stance, kaya siya nag-flip. Para meron control yung sipa. Get? Sige. Now! Hindi siya nakagano. Sa'yo. Nakagano siya, diba? You watch first, and then we will go drills. Chariot, knuckles. Chariot. Come in. Should be. Hands on your hips. Ready, get to the front kick, moving forward. Ready and set. Look at the target, moving forward. Now you will drop forward stance. Look at your stance. Ready, go back. Set, pagdating natin dito, yung kasunod ha. And, come on, let's do the front kick. Landing is forward stance. Ready and set. Oh, go back. Mabalik doon. Ready, stay here. Going there, ready, set. Kasunod, yung second line. Let's do the front kick. Landing is forward stance. Go. Rian na. Tama?
Rian.
Rian. Rian. Rian. Hindi nag-change yung front kick mo. Gumagano'n pa rin. Change it. Walang pa. Next line. Ready. Set. Sino yung next line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands on your hips. Now. Ready. And go. Landing. You wait for my reset. Ready, set, landing is forward stance. Make sure you are on forward stance. Then go. Forward stance. Forward stance. Ganun yung forward stance. Diam. Change foot. Ready, set, and Change foot. Good. Ready, set, go. Watch Ina. Eye on. Go. Ganun dapat.
Go 1 year pa lang.
Go. Nag-extra step siya. Mali. Go back. No extra step. Okay? No extra step. Paano yung extra step?
July po.
Front kick. Boom. The front kick. Boom. The front kick. Boom. No good. So, dapat. Boom. Go. Isang step na. And go. Forward stance, landing forward stance. Shout. See, naging step pa rin. Next line, ready. Set. Hey. Walang bumabagsak sa floor. And set. Next line. Dory one. Shout. Huwag ka natin side diretso. Next line, set. Go. Hands on your hips. All reels. Hands on your hips. Go. Forward stance. Hands. Shout. Shout. Okay, ready, set, again. Ready? And
Ball. Flip down. Flip down. Ayun. Ang magkakura.
next line, set. Good. Next line, set. You shout. Derecho, derecho, derecho. Clip, clip. Bend your knee. Pagsilip pa. Go. Bend your knee. Bend. Ay, naku. Bend. Okay. Go. Shout. Derecho. Go. Hands on your hip. Derecho. Front kick. Ball ng paa, Cassandra. Hindi yung hilo tumatama. Look at your target. Pagpipigil. Go, Dave. Ayun po siya. Next. Front kick. No? After the front kick, let's do the side kick. This time, ang landing is back stance. Side kick. Show me side kick. Stay. Side kick. Bring it back. Go. Back stance. Landing back stance. Go. Side kick. Landing back stance. Go. Mag-land ka back stance. Again. Land back stance. Go. Land back stance. Go. Go back. Land back stance. Go. 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 Good. Next. Talia. Ready. Set. Continue. Tatawa ito. Go. Back stance. Back stance yan. Go. Back stance. Back stance yan. Okay. Go. Back stance. Yan. Yan. Okay. Nakikita niyo yung mga ibang movements. Papalit natin para susundan niyo yung go back. Hand. Ready. Watch. Ready and set. Go. Back stance. Go. 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 Okay. Meron lang slight lang. Scientific. Nasaan yung katawan niya? Nandito sa harap. Dapat, nandito yung side. Side. Okay? Hirap? Hindi naman. Okay lang. So, nandito. Hindi dito. Side. One more. Ready? Try it. Go. See?
Pasay.
See? Go. Good. Again. Go.
Patumba.
Again. Go. Twist. Go. No good. Go. Twist. Yeah. Ganun dapat. Pang. Pataas. Diba? Oh, you change it. Pag hindi kayo mataas, pwede yung hanggang dito, direct. It's okay.
Pwede rin dito.
Get. Ready? Set. Pwede rin hanggang
Pasay
dito.
yung pagbodega.
Pero, ang landing niya, ganito, tapos backstand. Landing is backstand. Sunod your stand. Ready, set. Come on. First line. And. Okay? Get. Come on. Second line. And. Go. Shout. On na kamay. Go. Go for right now na kamay. Shout. Shout. Go next. Now. Next. Go. Good. Mag-choke, hindi yan roundhouse, ha? Go. Next line, go. Good. Go. Finish the target. Go. Yeah. The problem is rumble. You can hit side kick dito, hindi dito. Dito, harap. Dito. Rumble. Sa harap. And again. And go. Sinasakal. Ha? Hindi yan sinasakal. Okay, down. Next line, go. Next, go. Kamay, kamay. Huwag mong ginagawa yung kamay. Dito yung kamay. Go. Go, shout. Good job. Okay. Turn yun. Kill them. And that is the side kick. No? Ladies and gentlemen, yung sasali sa Pumse na yellow belt, ito yung gagawin. Sasali sa Pumse competition na yellow belt, ito yung gagawin. Tayo form number 1. Down, ladies and gentlemen. Ready? Pag nagkamali, push up 10. This is type of 1. Only. And set! Sino yung yellow belt na sasali sa Pumse? Sure? Okay. Yung dalawang chikiting patrol. And si Jack! Si Jack, dire-diretso. Shot na yata eh. Up. Blue at saka red. Not blue and red. Chong and home. Ready? Type 1. Si jump. Stop. 5 minutes. Correct. Okay. Wala sa taas yung low block. Dito. Ready? Set. Type 1. Si jump. Mataas. Kung yellow guard tayo, sila mananalo sila. Pero black guard sila eh. Hindi sila panalo. Correct? And si jump! Baro. And that is the type of form number 1. Set to be. And go. 5 men. Nasa taas eh. Forward stance. Go. Walking. Back stance to forward stance. Back stance to forward stance. Walking stance body. Set. And si jump. And that is the type of form number 3. Type of form number 7. You watch the movement. Hindi pwedeng short step. Okay? Type of form number 7. Si jump. How? 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open close. Open close. Open close. Riding stance. Check your stance. Riding stance. Riding stance. Baro. Okay. Ang riding stance, dalawang step lang yan. From here, 1, 2. Twist. Yun na. Hindi siya maluwag. Hindi siya nakapangpang. Okay? Parang nakapasarilis ng trip. Again, ready. Set. Time form number 7. Si jump. Riding stance. Look at your stance, Ina. Paro. nagpo-concept scoring ang laban, hindi taas dito. Meron isang judge, ini-score niya lang yung stance. Meron isang judge, ini-score niya lang yung kamay. Meron isang judge, ini-score niya kung tama o mali ang gagawin. And snapping motion. So, combine yun. And doon, lalabas ang yung score. Right? Riding stance. Point. One. Riding stance. Ganito. Okay? Next. Choreo to be. This is for black belt. And 12 years old to 14 years old, they will also do choreo. Okay? Choreo. Choreo. Okay. Check natin. Para sigurado. Grade school male and grade school female, 9 years old to 11 years old, they will do choreo. Dapat sinilang ka ng 2012. Ano ba yun? Next. 12 years old to 14 years old, choreo. Men and female. Tapos, sa junior naman, 17 years old to 70 years old, high level. 18 years old, pataas, Kyungwon. Okay, ready? Chariot! Kyungwon! Junbi! Junbi. Choreo, Junbi. 시작! Nanood ba kayo ng nanood? Ano ba ito? Hindi siya amat. Straight? Yaman na siya. Kalbo. Okay, ready? Set, 준비! 준비! And how are you doing? Jump. Don't forget to shout. Ina, mga tito si Padre, mga tunal. Pagbaro siya. Para move. Mateo. There. Next. Reyes. Reyes. Yeah, talaga dito sa live dito. Okay. Chariot. Sa red gun. 20 na yun? Galingan. Sige, again. You think about it kung sasali ka talaga sa formula. Dapat memorize. How? 7, 8 shot. 9, turn, 10, punch.
Ganyan lang. Ano ba yung bag?
Good.
Pero isa yung kami na nung meron doon.
Kairos.
Nakakalaman sa kabili. Pero nabagalit sa kabili. Bag na yun. Ano ba yun? No? That is March 18. March 18. And then Sunday, mag-iisipan kung merong training or wala. Kasi akaaan ang calling ko. May dami ko. Gets? Chariot!
Chariot, pick the flower. Chariot, kailangan kume. This is your novel. Chariot, kailangan kume.
All block. Here.
Go! Hindi ganyan, hindi mo mano. Malapit lang. Go! Go! Tagdadalawa, magkasunod. Go, magkasunod.
Get ready, get ready. Go!
Marami, marami. No more na ata. No more na. No ticket? Ayan o, 3 tickets. Dapat 3 wins eh.